And today, special thanks to our friends over at Supcase, who were nice enough to send us this unicorn Beetle Pro Google Pixel 8 Pro case in black. Now, me personally, I have a strong feeling of Supcase cases, as I used these years ago with my original Google Pixel. Nothing else in the box before the company ever partnered with me, and I literally had a situation where my original Google Pixel that was in a Unicorn Beetle Pro case went flying off my car into the street, was ran over by cars as I turned around to get my phone out of the street, and was perfectly fine. So I've always trusted Supcase cases from way back on the original Google Pixel, and as you know, we're on the Google Pixel 8 now. So inside of the package, there's a little installation guide as well as an instruction manual here. Then just foam. We've got the belt clip, the Supcase belt clip. You can either put it on this way so it's long, or have it horizontal this way. That's totally up to you. I personally love belt clips. One of the other reasons I really like Supcase cases. Now, this is the actual Unicorn Beetle case. And if you pull here on this corner, we can just take it apart to show you. Foam, pull this out. That one on the front as well. And get this one. Yeah. So this is the front of the case. Just normal black color will blend in nicely with any of the Google Pixel 8 colors. And this does have a full built-in screen protector, so you don't have to worry about a screen protector with the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case. It has everything you need with just the case. Then this is the main part of the case. As you can see, this is what the back looks like with the cutout for the cameras. At the bottom, you do have a little protector here for your USB-C port, cutout for your speakers, some nice thickness here on each corner, so in case that you drop it, you don't got to worry about your phone breaking. And my favorite feature of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pros is the built-in kickstand. When you're out at lunch, you can just pop this out and boom. Now you're ready to watch a video, whether it's in vertical or horizontal. And when you're done at lunch, you can just pop this back down and you're ready to go. Has nice grip, nothing that I can complain about. Definitely my best and most highly recommended case for any smartphone would be a Supcase case. So thanks again to Supcase, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.